Ever wondered how to get free or upgraded rooms in Las Vegas? Well, sit tight because we're about to spill the beans. Las Vegas, the city that never sleeps, is a mecca for entertainment seekers worldwide. It's a city that pulses with energy, where every night feels like a weekend and every hotel room is a potential gateway to an unforgettable experience. With such a high demand for rooms, you'd think scoring an upgrade or even a free room would be as likely as hitting the jackpot on your first slot pull. But here's the secret. It's not as elusive as you might think. With a little know-how and the right strategies, you could be sleeping like royalty on your next visit to Sin City. So if you're ready to level up your Las Vegas experience, stick around as we unravel the top 10 ways to score that coveted room upgrade, or even a free room in Sin City. First off, let's talk loyalty programs. Now, these programs are like a golden ticket to the world of freebies and upgrades. They're usually free to join and offer a ton of perks. Think about it. You're planning to stay in a hotel anyway, right? Why not get some extra bang for your buck? When you sign up for a hotel's loyalty program, you're essentially telling them you're serious about doing business with them. In return, they reward you with a slew of benefits. This could be anything from complimentary room upgrades to free nights and even exclusive access to events. Every time you stay, you accumulate points. The more points you have, the higher your status climbs and the better the rewards get. It's like a game, but instead of high scores, you're racking up room upgrades and freebies. So don't forget to sign up for those loyalty programs. Next up is the infamous $20 trick. Now, you might be wondering, what's this all about? Well, it's simple, yet clever. Here's how it works. When you're checking into your hotel, you slide a crisp $20 bill between your credit card and ID as you hand them over to the front desk personnel. As they're processing your check-in, you casually but politely ask if there are any complimentary upgrades available. You'd be surprised how often this simple act of generosity can open doors, or in this case, upgraded rooms. This trick is based on the principle of reciprocity and the power of a small, unexpected tip. But remember, it's not foolproof. Sometimes you'll score a jackpot with a sweet upgrade or a room with a fantastic view. Other times you may just get a friendly smile and your change back. Remember, the $20 trick isn't a guarantee, but it's worth a shot. Consider visiting during off-peak times. Picture Las Vegas in the middle of a sweltering summer or during the quiet lull after the New Year. It might not seem like the most appealing time to visit, but it's worth considering if you're hoping to snag a free room upgrade. You see, during these slower tourism periods, hotels often find themselves with plenty of empty rooms. And an empty room, my friends, is a lost opportunity for them. So, they're more likely to offer upgrades to fill these premium spaces. You're not only likely to get a better deal on your room rate, but you might just find yourself sipping a cocktail from the comfort of a swanky suite that you got at no extra charge. The key here is flexibility. If you can avoid the crowds and don't mind the off-season, you can potentially score big. So if your schedule allows, consider booking your Vegas trip during an off-peak time. Booking directly can also lead to room upgrades. Now, what do we mean by booking directly? Well, instead of going through those third-party websites, the ones that promise you the lowest rates, try going straight to the source, the hotel's own website. Here's why. Hotels love it when you book directly with them. It's a win-win. They don't have to pay a commission to those third-party sites, and you, my friend, get their undivided attention. You see, hotel staff can see how you booked your room. When you book directly, you're not just another reservation on their list. You're a valued guest, giving them all the more reason to offer you that complimentary upgrade. Plus, let's not forget about those exclusive deals and packages that hotels often reserve for their direct bookers. That's right, you won't find these on any third-party site. So, next time, try booking directly with the hotel. Social media can be your ticket to a room upgrade. In the age of digital connectivity, platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can be a goldmine for savvy travelers. By simply tagging your hotel in a post or tweeting about your wonderful experience, you're not only sharing your journey with friends and family, but you're also giving the hotel free publicity. Hotels love this. They love being talked about, especially when it's positive. So, they might just show their appreciation by upgrading your room. Think of it as a thank you for your kind words and the extra visibility. Additionally, leaving a glowing review on a platform like TripAdvisor can also go a long way. Hotels are always eager to improve their reputation, and what better way to do that than through happy customers singing their praises. So don't shy away from giving your hotel a shout out on social media. Remember, a little positive attention could lead to a lot of extra comfort during your stay. Celebrate your special occasion in style. Now, who doesn't love a good celebration? Las Vegas is the city of celebrations, and there's a little-known secret that might just add some extra sparkle to your special day. Whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, or the honeymoon of a lifetime, don't hold back when you're booking or checking in. Let them know that you're there to celebrate. Hotels love to make your stay memorable, and they often have a little extra wiggle room to make those special occasions just a bit more special. It could be a room upgrade, a bottle of bubbly, or a stunning view of the Strip. You never know what little extras could be waiting for you. Remember, the magic phrase is, "We're here to celebrate." So whether you're blowing out candles, toasting to love, or just celebrating life, don't forget to mention it. So, don't forget to mention if you're celebrating something special. Never underestimate the power of being polite and friendly. You see, in the hustle and bustle of Las Vegas, a smile and a kind word can be a refreshing change of pace. It's all about creating a positive interaction. When you're checking in, make it a point to engage in a friendly conversation with the hotel staff. Ask them how their day is going, compliment them on their service, and express your appreciation. Being courteous doesn't just make their day better, it leaves a lasting impression. Hotel staff are more likely to remember you and go the extra mile to make your stay special. That could mean a room upgrade, a better view, or even just a helpful tip about the best spots in Vegas. Keep in mind, this isn't a guaranteed upgrade tactic like some of the others we've discussed. But it's about creating a positive experience, which can sometimes lead to unexpected perks. Remember, a little kindness can go a long way. Late check-ins could be your golden ticket. Now let's delve into the concept of late check-ins. Imagine this, it's late in the day, the flurry of check-ins has settled down, and the hotel staff have a clearer picture of how many rooms are occupied, and which ones are still vacant. This is when your chances of scoring an upgrade might just peak. See, hotels are in the business of filling rooms. If you're checking in later in the day, when the majority of guests have already arrived, you might find yourself in a favorable position. There might be a better room that was held back just in case, or perhaps there are premium rooms that haven't been booked yet. The hotel would rather have these rooms occupied than left empty, and this is where your opportunity lies. So, the next time you're booking a room, consider timing your check-in to be later in the day. You might just find that the odds are in your favor. So, if you can, try checking in later in the day. Finally, don't forget the power of tipping. The hustle and bustle of Las Vegas can often make us forget the hard-working folks behind the scenes ensuring our stay is top-notch. From the valets to the bellhops, the housekeepers to the concierge, these individuals hold the keys to the kingdom, and a generous tip can go a long way. You see, tipping isn't just about rewarding good service, it's about building relationships, establishing rapport, and showing appreciation. When you tip generously, you're not just giving away money, you're investing in your experience. You're showing the staff that you value their service and that you're not just another face in the crowd. This gesture doesn't go unnoticed. Staff members remember these acts of kindness, and when the opportunity arises, they may just repay your generosity with a room upgrade or an extra perk. So always remember to tip generously. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap. We've journeyed through the 10 secrets that could unlock free or upgraded rooms in the heart of Las Vegas. From the power of loyalty programs to the magic of off-peak visits. We've delved into the benefits of booking directly and the influence of a well-placed social media shout-out. We've discussed the charm of expressing special occasions and the simple act of being polite and friendly. We've touched on the potential perks of late check-ins and the underestimated power of tipping. And of course, we've explored the legendary $20 trick, a simple gesture that could lead to unexpected surprises. These are the secrets, the hidden gems that could transform your stay in this vibrant city. Remember, these tips aren't guaranteed, but they can definitely increase your chances. So why not give them a try on your next trip to Las Vegas?